Okay guys, welcome back to the show. It's your boy. Then today we gonna react. Say my name. Wait. So this is a new girl group. It was I was late 1 month. 1 month na. Okay, this is a new group. Yung kilala ko lang dito si Hitomi from Is1 or Is1. Siya ko lang yung kilala dito. And ngayon ko lang yung react. So, wala ko alam sa group na to. I never heard the song. So yeah. So let's get to it. Okay. Okay. Wait, nagatigil. Nag-stuttering. Okay. 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 Oh, that's awesome, man. Oh, Neko. Kita Neko, man. What the fuck? Oh, just say it to me. Hey, lovely, man. Okay, Tommy. Oh, okay. Let's touch the good. Hey. Wow. It's actually good. Hey. Okay. Wait, so wait yung pangalan ng group. Oh my god, I'm mali pala ako. Okay, mali ako guys. Mali ako. So say my name is the title. Wave is the Wave ba? Ito, wait now. I think Wave. Yeah, Wave. Yeah, Wave talaga yung name group. Oh my god, nakamali ako. Shit. Very sorry guys, but wow, that song is actually good. It's so bubbly at the same time. Suddenly cheerful and bubbly at the same time. Wow! I never... Dapat nila ako na ito nung una pa lang, but I was doing a November, Spooktober na yun, so hindi ko siya nire-react agad. The song, oh my, pinagsisi ko talaga guys, hindi ko nire-react agad to. Yun nga, pinagsisi ko talaga, everything's good. Wow! Well, if this song was released like a past few months nung una pa lang, this would be a banger. Pero hindi ko na, I think hindi ito sikat sa TikTok eh. I don't know. Hindi ko narinig sa TikTok to eh. Like, never heard any songs like this on TikTok. Like, wow. Man. Wow, I never, wala akong masabing pangat guys. Ang ganda pakinggan. It's so bubbly. The bubbly and cheerful at the same time. And this type of song, yung parang may ADM na so vibes. It gives me EDM vibes because of the trap. Yung tulog, tug, like that. So, but guys, we're gonna react to this again. This time with subtitles. Okay. And let's go. Eh, pusa pala to. Teka lang, wait. The tong like that, it's kind of remind niya, sabi ko sa'yo, parang EDM talaga eh. Parang EDM talaga yung style. If you know what I mean, guys. You wanna wait?
3, 2, 1 잔뜩 나른해진 weekend
Weekend?
무채 세계거리 exit 맘대로 작은 버스 위로 riding
Yeah.
계획 없이
The vibes, man.
떠나볼 time 어딜 가도 전부 my road 걸음 따라 끌린 대로 완벽한
The beat is actually is amazing yung dito talaga. The part thing here.
계획 없이 떠나볼 time
This part's such a good.
어딜 가도 전부 my road 걸음
Yeah.
따라 끌린 대로
Hey, hey,
완벽한 날씨
hey.
모든 게 우리 blessing
Blessing.
자유로운 feeling Baby 뭘 더 고민해 어서
Oh, that's actually good. This chorus.
Baby 뭘 더 고민해 어서 빨리 take my hand 펼쳐지는 everyday 반짝이는 way 흔적 없는 way
Wow. Wait. Like that. Actually, it's actually naka-LSS, man. Naka-LSS talaga.
흔적 없는 way 나를 부른 way 'Cause you work there baby
Okay, Tommy.
어제 고민 따윈 nothing 짜릿한 설렘 속에 빠져드는 day and night 꿈속에 물들어 dreaming
Man, the song is good.
Ride a wave, I'll lead her right away Slow, go, fast, move on to 맘대로 yeah 한순간에 쏟아지는 햇살같이 한타들은 so from stuck in 몇 시간 아까워 분명히 우린 더 꽤 할까 happy
Hey.
자신 있어 take it Baby 뭘 더 고민해 어서 빨리 take my hand 펼쳐지는 everyday
Hey. Damn.
I'm hot for really realize 반짝이는 way 감정 없는 way 나를 부른 way Cause you work there baby 어제 고민 따윈 nothing 짜릿한 설렘 속에 빠져드는 day and night 꿈속에 물들어 dreaming Right away I'll lead it right away
Hey. Ooh. Okay, guys. Not gonna lie, guys. Oh my God, the song is a banger talaga, guys. Wala akong masabing pangit, guys. I'm very speechless. Wow. Yung ayaw ko lang talaga is the song is only 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Sana pinahaba yung kanta. But I think even though it's short, it's actually amazing. Wow. I would say the song, it's a banger talaga. It reminds me sa my Cupid sa 50-50. Sa 50-50 at sa Eyelid, sa Magnetic and sa 50-50 na SOS or Cupid. Parang ganun. Feel ko talaga yung vibes. That kind of vibes is actually good talaga. Bubbly. Same time na EDM. It makes you, napapasaya ako, chill. Di ko alam. But man, it's actually amazing, guys. Wow. Wave. Wow. Man, Wave, their debut is actually good. Man, their debut song is actually good. And wala akong masabi pa, man, to the song, to the lyrics and to the sound, wow, guys, it's actually amazing. Everybody in the group Wave really stand out, guys. Wow, amazing. I would give this 10 out of 10. Everything, guys, 10 out of 10. Kahit yun na talaga, guys, masabi ko. And please guys, sa mga Wayway Chan fan, please stream Say My Name. Say my name ba? Say my name, guys. Say my name. Stream Say My Name. Guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm your host, Ted, and see you in the next video. Bye guys!